What is PPC and how it can help you get more leads and sales for your business? PPC stands for pay-per-click. Pay-per-click is a pricing model that advertising platforms such as Adwords and Facebook charge for the clicks they bring to your website. My name is Shay Nir and I'm the founder of exponential.buzz, a digital agency that specializes in PPC advertising. If you want to learn more about digital advertising and PPC, make sure you hit subscribe below and turn on the notification so you can see my videos whenever I do a new video here on YouTube. PPC started back at the end of the 90s, but it was Google who used this pricing model for their Adwords platform at the beginning of 2000 and became not only the leading search engine, but also the leading advertising platform. Nowadays, even platforms that don't use PPC as a pricing model are still referred to as PPC platforms. Amongst the PPC platforms are Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Amazon Ads, Snapchat, and others. Let's take a look at the main benefits of using PPC platforms. First, high-intent traffic. With PPC, or more specifically, paid search, you can be on top of the search results and reach customers who are searching for terms which are relevant for your business. You can do so by running paid search campaign on Google and Bing. Second, social traffic. You can get traffic from social networks such as Facebook or Instagram by targeting people interests, age, income, family status, and many other options. Third, display networks. These are networks of millions of websites which you can access via Google AdWords, for example, and place banners on the ones who are visited by your potential customers. Fourth, remarketing. Remarketing is a technology used by most PPC platforms. Do you remember visiting a website and then seeing the banners of that site chasing you wherever you go? Could be annoying, but remarketing is proven to be one of the most effective tactics, since those who already visited your website are much more likely to click on your banner ad and actually buy something from you. Fifth, video campaigns. Video is all the rage nowadays. You can actually promote your video before other videos on YouTube are playing. This is a great method to get awareness for your brand and products. There are many other benefits that differentiate PPC from other channels. You can control the budget. You can start for as low as $5 a day and increase to thousands per month. You can laser target people by what they search, which device they're on, where they're located, their demographics, and much more. But, and that's a big but, PPC takes time, efforts, and skills. You can easily lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. I highly advise to either learn how to use PPC platforms or hire somebody who specializes in running PPC campaigns. So until the next time, may the conversions be with you.